Hey there, first graders, welcome to another video art lesson. Today we're going to be making a fox like this. This is for something called Art to Remember. We may or may not have made some sort of a fox like this before, and that's okay. But we're going to do this again because this is a nice, successful project for what we're doing. It's called Art to Remember, and it is a company that is going to take our drawing and it's going to make it so that way you can see what it would look like if your drawing was on a coffee cup, or if it was on a necklace, or if it was on a flag, or a keychain, or a button, or a t-shirt, or a water bottle, or Christmas ornaments, or magnets. And they will do that for you, and then if your parents or grandparents or somebody wants to buy your artwork on something, they can do that. So I have some special paper that I will give to you or give to your teacher, and we're going to be making this fox. So to do this fox, we're going to use I'm going to use an art card just for now, but you're going to be working on your, it's called an 8 by 10 inch piece of paper. So it is this big. It is 10 inches by 8 inches, and you're going to be drawing the head first. It is going to be big triangle shape like this. Next, you're going to make a curved line and a letter M on his face. And this is the M, and this is the curved line. Inside of here, I'm going to make one circle and one circle. Those are going to be his eyes. And at the tip of his nose, I'm going to make a circle, oval for his nose. Eyes, nose. Top of his head, we need to make his ears. I have done this project recently, and I was telling some students that I have 2 foxes that live almost in my backyard. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down and comes down. There's a whole big pile of branches and stuff, and they've been living in there for like a year. Sometimes I see them sneaking out. I'm going to make a line on the bottom, and then I'm going to make a bump here on the belly. The belly of the fox is white. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make his tail. It's just a big point, easy to do. And then there's a little top of his tail is white also. So I have to make that little shape that will be white. And then I want to make his 2 front feet. 1 foot, 1 foot. So there's his 2 front feet. You cannot see his back feet because he's sitting. Next, I'm going to make the horizon line, which is like a bump here and here. That line tells me where the sky touches the ground. So then this is ground. If I make a line here, that means this is the ground. I'll show you. This is called a horizon line. So this is the sky, this is the ground. Okay? Then I want to start coloring. That's what I want to do. I'm going to take an orange. I'm going to color in a couple places. For example, the top of his head. Make sure that, hold on, I'm going to show you what I mean. Don't start coloring yet. I'm coloring his ears orange. I'm leaving the area around his eyes white. This is left white. This area on his belly is left white, and this is left white too. So I'm going to color this orange here, and this part of the tail. I'm leaving the nose because the nose is going to be black. So I don't want to color in the nose. So this is an Art to Remember project, which means really it's important that we're pressing hard, we're coloring neatly, because we really want this to look good. If you need help with something, just ask somebody. I'm going to take a little bit of a yellow. I'm going to color a little bit of yellow. I'm going to make him look a little brighten him up. Okay. And I'm also going to take a red here. I'm going to color a little bit of red on his tail, where his tail starts. Color a little bit of red on his shoulders. And where his face front is his body. We color a little bit of red inside his ears. And on the top of his head a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to put some green grass on the ground. Okay. I'm going to put some green grass on the ground. Be careful that you don't color his feet, because his feet are black. Isn't that neat? Coloring in this grass. Okay, there's some grass. Now, in my picture, I'm going to make, what should I make? You know what? I'm going to try make a couple trees. I'm going to make a triangle up in the sky. It's going to be a tree. And then I'm going to make another triangle. And then I'm going to make another triangle. And then I'm going to make another triangle. And then, if I put a little brown piece on the bottom, it looks like an evergreen, or also called a Christmassy tree. See that? So 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and the triangles are all touching. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm going to color in that tree now. Okay, and because I made one tree, it makes me want to make another one. I'm going to make a triangle over here, and then another triangle inside of it. Look what I did there. Did it again. And then I'm going to do that again. And again, another triangle. I'm going to make that brown part of the bottom again. See that? And it turns into a tree. I'm going to color in those triangles green. You believe it? Alright, next I'm going to take a black and I'm going to make the eyes and the nose on my guy black. I'm also going to make his feet black. I'm also going to trace over all the lines, all the pencil lines of him, you guessed it, black. Okay, then the sky. What do I want to do with the sky? I'm going to make it blue. I'm going to press hard though at the top. Press really hard. And then I'm going to, after I press really hard, I'm going to come down a little bit, and then I'm going to press light. You want those bright colors here. I want to show up. There it is. So I look forward to seeing your fox. Try your best. On the back, I need your first name, I need your last name, I need your grade, your teacher's name on the back, written neatly. I look forward to seeing yours. Best of luck.